Okay, so here's a new feature. We have our bot here, and then we also have it integrated into IDX Broker Search. So when you click on this and you go here, and this is demo, so this wording is just demo content. We have this new feature, which is turn via video chat. We're going to have a more powerful message, but for now, that's what it is. And what happens? Oh, and here's the listing information, all that. Okay, and so then you click on this. Now I'm an admin, so it's gonna show stuff, but what it does, it pops up and says, "Let's get that virtual showing for you." And then and you can hear the sound.
Or wanting to wait till.
Yeah, and it says, the live." Thanks for asking for the live virtual rally open house. There's two ways. One, we send you a link and you experience it yourself, or the other, with the agent with you live, and then walking you through the property on the internet while you experience it as if you're really there. To answer all your questions, what do you prefer? And if you prefer with Agent Live, what it does is it collects some information from you, ask you, what day, which is now, and what time. And then it collects your information. And what's nice is that it's straight from Facebook. So it's your real phone, your real email, and so the quality of the lead is really good. Okay, so this is what gets sent to you, the agent. The client doesn't see this. Like I'm acting on behalf of the client, but I'm also an admin. When I say behalf of the client, I'm acting like a client, and I'm also admin. So it's showing me this. If I was not an admin, I would not see this. So basically, this part here it gets sent to the admins and the agent, and then this message. Great, I'll let one of the agents know that you would like to schedule a showing on now at now for the property, and then it will then update them in a little bit that this is what's happening. So it sends a message to the admins and agent, and so by doing this, it has like the client is already opted into Messenger. So all the agent has to do is go to Messenger, look up, match up the name, and say, "Hey, Glenn, I got your message. When's you saying now? I'm actually on my way to the computer. Can we do this in 10 minutes? And then I'll send you the link to join." And then you go, "Yeah." And then you send the link, and then it's a Zoom, or it's an iSpy 360 or a MetaReel that gives them the ability to see what's going on and then to share it. So then, yeah. So then, here's the property, and you can go in and experience it. And what's nice is that normally there'd be the agent photo or camera here, and then I as a client would be here. Right now it's not set right, but it would be, and they could click on it saying, "Yeah, I want to see. I want an agent to be contacted." Hold on, let me find another one that's better. Okay, so see this part. This would be you, the agent, and then this is a guided pre-recorded one, but you could request, "Hey, I wanna speak to someone right now," and then someone would hop on, and then you'd be seen, or they'd be seen there. You'd be seen in the lower right, and you would go through it. And what's nice is that you can have up to 5 people, like your spouse, your grandma, your mom, your brother, whatever, 5 people all at once talking to the agent, and then each of you, like you can use the mouse, and then all of a sudden, let's say, you know, uh, your mom wants to go to the kitchen, everyone stops using the mouse, she picks it up, and boom, she's in the kitchen and doing stuff, and so everyone can really collaborate. But it all starts with having the content like we just showed you, where it's on the let's go here. Yeah, it all starts here with the video chat. And so now the other thing is, and people, like some people go, well, what if the property doesn't have video chat? That's okay. Sorry. Now some people say, well, what if the property doesn't have a 3D tour or something like that? That's okay. What you do is you go and look it up, see if they have it. Sometimes, like on Zillow's terrible right now. We're showing the 3D tours. So they may have one, but it's just not showing up yet. So you look around a little bit. If it's not your property, you look around a little bit, and then let's say there's something like a video. So you do a video chat, but you show what they have, and you say, I've got this kind of style, and you show them one of your properties with the 3D walkthrough, and say, I'm gonna and you qualify the person as to, are they really excited, or are they just sort of excited? And if they're really excited, say, yeah, we love this, we want this. Okay, great. You know what? Let me see if there's a 3D tour hidden somewhere. Let me reach out and I'll find out for you. So then, you can go and contact the agent and say, hey, listen, if you can get me it doesn't have to be a Matterport. It can be, a $400 camera Theta, and Theta, that they can go in and shoot the whole house, and they need to do it anyway these days because of the big paradigm shift in how properties are going to be sold from now on. But you can broker deals, and so then that leads to another thing. If you're with a big brokerage and you've got all the agents have got a ton of Matterports, I've done a video in the past showing that when you do a Zoom and you do a virtual meeting, each tab you would have different properties. So let's say you have a condo building or you have a gated community and you have like 4 or 5 properties for sale in that condo building. Well, you'd get all the Matterports or all the 3D tours, and you put them in tabs, so when the client shows up to the meeting, you can walk them through each one. And I've got a video that shows how to do this. So this is the power that we're adding to our real estate websites by having the tour via video chat. Now, the one thing, other people have this, but when you click on it, it just goes to a lead capture. It's just an email that gets sent to the agent. It does nothing. It doesn't interact. And then our bot talks to them. Like after they've done this, a half hour later, it sends out a message, and then within 24 hours, it sends a message out to them to make sure that they're happy, make sure they're good. And so it does more than what an email would. And because it's Messenger, the client opens it and reacts with it better than an email. So there's a lot of pluses to this. It's something to think about. It's the future, and the future is happening now. Like in the past 30 days, a lot has happened with real estate marketing. And so this thing is going to be commonplace in probably a month or two. So get on it now and get some deals. See ya.